Exchange rates shape our global economy and daily lives, influencing import costs and export competitiveness. Let's delve into their mechanics and significance, understanding how they impact economies and individuals worldwide. Exchange rates are the value of one currency in terms of another, crucial for determining import prices, travel costs, and investment returns. They serve as indicators of economic health, impacting both global economies and individual financial decisions. Understanding these rates is essential for grasping their influence on international trade and economic policies. Exchange rate systems are crucial in global finance. Fixed rates are government-maintained, while floating rates rely on market forces. Most currencies today use floating systems, yet even fixed systems are market-influenced. Understanding these systems helps grasp how currencies interact and impact economies. During the gold standard era, currencies were backed by gold, ensuring stability. Post-World War II, the United States dollar became the global reference, equating dollars to gold. However, by the 1970s, the system collapsed due to insufficient gold reserves, leading to the end of the gold standard and paving the way for modern currency markets. Currencies now float based on market dynamics, reflecting trade balances and investment flows. Central bank policies significantly influence currency values. These factors shape the modern currency markets, impacting global trade and economic stability. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for grasping why countries manage their currencies to attract investment and maintain economic balance. Countries manage their currency to attract foreign investment and lower labor costs. An undervalued currency boosts exports by making them cheaper for foreign buyers, enhancing domestic manufacturing. Stability in currency value prevents extreme fluctuations, providing predictability for businesses and investors, crucial for economic planning and growth. A weak currency makes imports costly, leading to trade deficits. However, it can boost domestic production as local industries grow to replace expensive imports, creating new job opportunities. This shift can stimulate economic growth, although it may also challenge consumers with higher prices for foreign goods. A strong currency reduces import costs, making goods cheaper and travel more affordable. It helps control inflation by lowering prices on imported commodities. Additionally, it attracts foreign investment, boosting local financial markets. Government interventions, like adjusting interest rates and promoting foreign investment, can further strengthen a country's economic position. Exchange rates are pivotal in global trade and economic stability. Grasping their mechanics aids in making informed financial choices. Thank you for exploring currency exchange rates with me.